Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today we're going to be talking about XRP and why I think that this could go on a massive run in 2026. We can see here right now it's currently around $177 billion in market cap, and it has recently, over the past year, had a massive pump towards the upside, currently sitting around $2.9. Now, why do I think that this has so much potential? Well, with XRP, they've had a lot of back and forth with the SEC, but that has actually concluded now, and we can usually see once the government actually leave a coin alone, it does get big pumps and it does get a lot more adoption. This is massively the case for XRP because even throughout their case with the SEC, they've actually just been making partnerships, mingling, and actually networking throughout the traditional finance world, which I think is fantastic. And we can see here, Ripple's clarified legal status boosts XRP's ETF approval chances, spurring institutional interest and magnificent token acquisitions. This regulatory clarity aligns digital asset derivatives oversight between the SEC and CFTC, further aiding XRP's momentum. So what does this mean? Well, basically, a lot of people are talking about XRP replacing Swift or integrating with Swift, and obviously that is a massive trillion-dollar thing. So yes, that could be huge for the XRP market cap. Now, everyone is talking about XRP getting to 10K, 15K, 20K. I don't think that is a possibility, guys. I'm sorry to say, but if it were to do that, you would have to see the market cap in the trillions as well, which I just don't think is a possibility. And yeah, I mean, there isn't that much money to make this happen, okay? But in terms of adoption, in terms of over the next year, and in terms of the momentum XRP has got, I definitely think that we could see an XRP around the $10 to $15 range in the next year, which is a massive amount of ROI if you were to buy now. Now, if we were to look at the chart right here, we can see that XRP is actually in the midst of a potential breakout. We can see here it is literally just testing this daily trend line right now. Now, obviously, this could be an area in which you want to buy, but personally, from me, guys, I would probably wait for us to retest and then break whatever high is made here. And of course, there are other things here as well, such as our ATR bands. If you don't know what an ATR band is, it's average true range. And what we will be doing here with this is basically waiting to get out of the average true range. Therefore, the asset will no longer be ranging and it will be more likely to be in a bullish stance. So here we can see we got out of the range, we blasted up here, and then obviously hit that massive all-time high for XRP. And of course, if we were to do something like that again, I mean, we could easily see XRP targeted around the $5 to $6 range. I mean, just based on this wave alone. So great stuff there from XRP. It's definitely had a lot of different kind of news around it, and definitely something that yeah, a lot of people have had controversial views of it. But personally here, guys, just from an objective standpoint, personally I don't actually like the XRP team. I'm more of a decentralization guy, but I would say that XRP is looking fantastic for the next kind of bullish wave up. And yes, 2026 could be that year for XRP, which we do see it around that $5 to $6 range, or even higher than that, $10 to $15 towards the end of 2026. So definitely look out for that one. But as of right now, we are currently kind of chilling around this area. The whole market is generally going sideways right now. But if XRP were to break above about 370, 380, or if you're a bit more cautious, $4, then yes, this would be a great time to be looking at a buy for XRP. But that is going to be it for this video. Definitely follow, subscribe, all of that good stuff if you want more alerts and more long-term predictions on these assets. We're also going to be doing pre-sales, DeFi, Web3, GameFi, and much more on this channel. So definitely check that out. But that's going to be it for me. Have a fantastic day. I will see you in the next one.